For this presentation to the customer, I removed the dimension tools because I didn't think that the customer really wanted to look at all those numbers. They just want to see a pretty picture. And I used the auto shape tools, which are part of the drawing toolbar, to create molding and on the ceiling and on the floor. And we will go over the drawing tools in a later lesson. Right now I finished the design for the left window and I want to replicate it for the right window. It's easy to do. You highlight the design with your mouse, and I'm going to click on the copy and the paste icons, and I will move that treatment over onto the right window. Now if you notice, both designs are slightly at a different height, and I can make them go to the same height automatically. I highlight my left treatment, and I want to highlight the right treatment and have them both highlighted, so I depress my Shift key. I keep my Shift key depressed and I highlight that right treatment. Now at the top are my align icons, so I can align the two treatments according to their top. I'm going to click on the align top icon right here. There. Now both of them are at the same height. You can align two or more objects according to their tops, their bottoms, their sides, or their centers. So these two look great. There's just one last change I want to make to these treatments. I would like that long treatment to go to the outside, that long cascade. So I'm going to highlight my right treatment and I'm going to flip it. We have these flip icons. I can flip horizontally or flip vertically, and in this case I'm going to flip horizontal, and I'm going to click on this icon. There. Now both of the cascades are on the outside, and this treatment looks very pretty. You'll be using the align and the flip commands a lot in your designing. Just remember that when you align objects, you have to highlight two or more objects in order to use that command.